Hey guys, welcome back to day seven of my journey to profitability in day trading to prove that it's possible. I didn't end up taking a trade today, but I was looking for a trade. Even though we had a bunch of news come out this morning, we had it early, 8:30, um, and then we had this news at 10. But I was watching the market. The price, the news didn't really move price that a whole lot. So I'm still willing to take a trade today. So let's take a look at the chart, and I'll go over my thought process for today. So on Nasdaq, I marked out these 4-hour highs in green. Let me mark out market open 9:30, 9:30 right here. So I marked out these 4-hour highs in green, 4-hour highs, and then the hourly highs and lows in blue. We have one here. Um, we're still on we have one here, and then hourly high here, hourly high here. This candle closed at 10, and so I marked this one out after that candle closed. And then right at market open, we get this big, um, super big leg to the downside. So that's that. Well, let me go over my bias first. So overall, I was bullish again for today. You can see we were in an uptrend beforehand on the 4-hour and on the daily. And same with the 1 hour. Actually, on the 1 hour, looks like we were in a downtrend, so perfect. We're going to sweep liquidity um, in reverse. Actually, we were in an uptrend at that point, um, right here. But we still wanted to go lower and sweep liquidity. You can see here, this big leg down. Um, all these sell side liquidity gets swept. So I hop into the 5 minute, and I'm just looking for my 5 minute retrace. We get one on this liquidity level, this liquidity level, and this liquidity level, and it kind of it liked this liquidity level. You can see price kind of stayed right around it, so I get that retrace down here at 10:40. So it took a while to get down to here. I thought I was going to enter off this 4-hour high here or 4-hour low, but price just kept wanting to push lower. Yeah, so you can see on the 1 minute here, we get that reversal or the retrace. So I'm looking for a fair value gap to enter. At 10:40, I think we got that retrace right here, so perfect. We get this fair value gap here, I mark that out. Price pushes a little higher. We get another fair value gap here. Price respects that for a couple minutes, but then um, breaks through this level as well. Then we get another fair value gap here, again breaks through that, and just continues to the downside and consolidates here for a little bit. Just bouncing around here. Then we start seeing some legs up. It looks like we have a fair value gap here, but price doesn't really touch into there. Um, but this was way after my trading time. I waited till I marked this fair value gap out at 10:58, and then as soon as this got broken through, I was done for the day. Again, normally I don't like to trade past 10:45, but I did today. And you can see price just breaks right through, and we don't really see anything till we don't see any moves up till what time is this? 12:40, 12:45 or so. So that's why I didn't take a trade today. I just didn't see anything um, according to my plan during my trading time. But let's see if there's anything in here that we could have traded off of. It looks like we got this fair value gap here. right here at 1033. Get this little mini fair value gap. Price touches into there. Then we get a break structure to the upside off of this candle here. So enter there. Let's see what we would have got here. Break structure here. Take or stop loss down here. Oh, and then take profits at recent highs, higher time frame highs. So we'll go to the 15-minute and see. There's a high here. So that would have been a 1 to 2.5. So that's pretty good reward. There's also this, I think there's an hourly high somewhere in here. There's this hourly high here, but that's not a very good reward. Only like 1 to 1.5, I think that was. I mean, there's no other hourly highs here that we could have targeted. So that 15-minute high would have probably been the best one, but that would have been a good risk reward, 1 to 2.5. But again, that was way past my trading time, so I never took that trade. And on the S&P, price action was very choppy before market opened, or after market opened, until about 10:40 it started to move. So here's market opened. Um, Actually, I guess we get some legs down here at 10, but didn't sweep this hourly liquidity till 10:15 or so. Then we see retrace off of that. So I was looking at NASDAQ as well. You can see we get this retrace here at 10:45, so it's already quite late into the day. So we can see here in the 1 minute after that retrace, 10:45 right here or so. You can see I marked out this fair value gap or this imbalance, big imbalance here. Price kind of rejected off of that for a couple minutes, but then broke through it. And then again, just consolidated here, bounced around, end up wanting to push a lot lower. And again, we never really do anything, just kind of bouncing around all day on the S&P. So I guess if I was to take a trade later on, it would have been on NASDAQ, but that's not according to my plan, so I didn't do that. Um, but yeah, so that's how today turned out. No trades today again. Um, Not the best week with price action and news week, so didn't really take any trades yesterday because of news, and didn't take any today just because of price action. Um, but yeah, it was learned a little bit today. We can learn that we can take profits at the 15-minute highs, um, and make sure we're waiting for these 5-minute retraces on each new level of liquidity. That's one thing I've learned from today. But yeah, so that's day 7 um, of my day trading journey to profitability. Um, Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I probably won't make a video, but I'll be back on Friday. We'll see you.